Hello, and welcome to Filled. Let's place your first order. To place your order, place an order on the top left corner of your screen. When you pressed place an order, you can make an account. Or if you already have an account, click here to get started. Then press continue. Then you're greeted with a very nice welcome screen where you can tell us a little bit more about your order. So let's say that you're ordering groceries. So click on groceries. Now this is where you choose what store you'd like to order from. You have multiple selections. There's Walmart, Loblaws, Costco, and if your store is not listed, you can also choose from local stores. So let's say that we want to order from Loblaws. So we click on Loblaws. At Loblaws, there are two types of deliveries available. There is curbside pickup and full service ordering. There's two big differences with curbside pickup and full service order. With curbside pickup, you shop on Loblaws' website, then you pay on Loblaws' website, and then we go in, park at the designated parking spot, and the store staff will load the groceries in our car, and we just deliver it. So there's no actual shopping involved on our part. But if you'd like us to do the shopping, then you pick the full service order option. But let's say that we pick the curbside pickup option. Let's see what happens. So now it's time for the fun part. Here's what you do now. So all you do now is you create an online cart, click the button below to get started, and then once you go on Loblaws' website and you pick everything that you want, then you can place an order with us. So let's go. Let's say that we want bananas. So we type in bananas. Bananas. Scroll down, click add. And at this option over here, you pick pickup. Select location, and we're going to pick the Barrhaven location, or we're going to let our iPad choose it for us. So we're going to pick the Greenbank Road location. That's closest to us. Continue. Then it will allow us to add more items. So let's say that we want to add Greek yogurt to our list. Click add. Now we want to add lollipops. We click add. When you're all set to check out your order, click checkout. Then you scroll down, select a pickup time. We're busy tomorrow. So let's click on Friday. Then we click 12 to 1 p.m. when we're going to be home. So there's a pickup fee of $3 that applies to your order. So that will automatically be charged after we pick up your order. Then you click reserve. Once you click reserve, you'll be prompted to take a screenshot of your order. So let's just take a screenshot for now. So if you're using iOS like I am, you just basically press you press the home button and sleep wake button at the same time to take a screenshot. Once you do that, you go back to Filled. Now let's assume that we placed our order with Loblaws for pickup. So now we go down to done ordering, click done ordering, and it's going to ask us if we want to continue. This is just a safety screen to make sure that you actually follow the instructions. Now we click continue. Now this is the fun part where you get to send us your order. So the way it works is you have to fill out this form down below. You put in your name, email, your delivery address, and your phone number. And then you submit your screenshot. Then after you submit it, you'll be prompted to submit a $5 deposit. Now, this deposit is mandatory. It ensures that you are a human that's placing the order, that you're not spamming our system, and it's fully refundable after you place your order. So let me guide you through the form. So let's put our name in. So let's say I'm John Appleseed. Our email. Our address. Now our phone number. Now we get to upload our file. photo library. And let's see, recents. Oh, there it is. So now that our file is uploaded, we can now place our order. We can click over here. Now this is where you're going to be prompted for a $5 deposit. So now that you filled your form out, you just put your last name in here. So this is our first name. So we just fill out our last name here. Then we click continue, and this is where you fill out your payment information. So once you fill out your payment information, you click the Pay Now button. It's grayed out now because I didn't fill it out. But once you fill it out, your order is placed, and we will get back to you within 1 hour with full information on when your shopper will be able to pick your order up.